For nearly 2 decades, rumors drifted out of the Siberian taiga. Villagers whispered of a shattered sky and a dangerous, buried secret. In 1927, mineralogist Leonid Kulik sought the truth behind the Tunguska explosion. By lamplight, he mapped a route toward the remote epicenter. Funded by the Soviet Academy, a modest expedition was assembled. They departed the station with heavy instruments and quiet resolve. The journey pushed them deep into an unforgiving wilderness. Navigation relied on incomplete charts and sheer endurance against the bitter frost. At ground zero, they found a vast, scorched clearing of flattened timber, yet there was no central impact crater to be seen. Peculiar anomalies quickly disrupted their survey. Magnetic compasses spun aimlessly over the barren earth, and mechanical watches failed to hold the correct time. Beneath the frozen dirt, the team unearthed a heavy, blackened structure. It was immediately clear this was no ordinary meteorite. The half-buried shell was latticed with intricate copper filaments. Most striking were the precise, manufactured numerals engraved onto its surface. As they documented the artifact, local Evenki hunters warned of its restless nature. They claimed the massive object inexplicably moved between dawns. Recording climbing electrical signatures, drafted a radical hypothesis. He proposed the unstable mechanism was a complex ether resonator. Without warning, the dormant core began to reactivate. The immediate environment destabilized under a sudden, intense surge of power. A violent, localized thermal burst forced a desperate retreat. The anomaly violently expelled the expedition from the clearing. Kulik escaped with surviving photographs and fragmented field records. Shortly after their flight, the artifact itself vanished from the site. His final report was submitted to the Leningrad Academy, only to be classified and sealed in 1931. While the paper trail ends safely in the archives, out in the frozen taiga, a vast and silent depression still holds its breath.